Excellent product and delivered perfectly. Enjoying every cup of coffee. I like it. I look forward to drink coffee every day and this machine makes my day. Only complaint I have is that it does not heat my cups on the top. An amazing product. I know DeLonghi personally and an ardent coffee lover. It will certainly give you the same Italian cafe experience. Best. Awesome machine. Price is on bit higher side, but if lasts longer then it's all worth it. Get espresso shots within a minute. Good product. Solid build. Produces nice coffee. Frothing works fine too. It is really a pressurized espresso machine. Produces coffee with crema and all. Perfect for home use. Excellent product, for coffee lovers, value for money. It delivers perfect coffee. This is my second purchase of the same product. Makes good coffee. Easy to use. It would become value for money only when it lasts at least 15 years as did its predecessor, same design etc, but plain black in color that I used many times every day for all those 15 years. By the way, the predecessor is still in working condition, just that one of its pipes sprung a minor leak, which I understand can be repaired as soon as there is a little time to repair it. Awesome product. Click link in description for more reviews.